Hi children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today our amazing assignment is Chapter 6 Data Handling Worksheet. You can refer textbook page number 194 and 196. Coming to first one, answer the following questions. First one, a merchant has 3,840 pieces of various kinds of cloth. The pie chart represents what fraction of the cloth is used for different articles of clothing. Use the graph to answer the following questions. So here first what is the given here? The pie chart is given. That is nothing but the circular graph. So what will be representing here? The various kinds of cloth. So in given some fraction. So total pieces are 3,840. Okay. So from that number of t-shirts are, total pieces are 3,840. From that number of t-shirts. So just I am calculating each kind of cloth. Number of t-shirts equal to 3 by 8 of 3,840 means 3 by 8 into 3,840. Now divide. 8 ones are 8. So we have to divide. For that, see 3,840 is divided by 8. So here 3 is not divided by 8. So I am taking 2 digits. How many times we can take? 4 times. So 4 8s 32 minus. So 6 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. Bring down 4. So 8 times 64. 64 minus 64 is 0. Now take down 0. Here 0. So what is that one? How many it will be? How many it will be? 480. So 480 into 3. 3 zeros 0. 3 8s are 24. 2. 3 4s are 12 plus 2 is 14. So the number of t-shirts are 1,440. Now skirts. Number of skirts. How much? 1/5 of, how much total? 3,840 means 1 by 5 into 3,840. Divide. Here 7 times. 34 again 6 times. 48. 768. So just the given fraction for skirts and t-shirts I calculated. You can observe the circuit completely bold part. The pants are given exactly 1/4 of that one. So we can calculate the pants. Number of pants are 1/4 of 3,840. That is 1 by 4 into 3,840. Now divide. How many times you can take? 36 9 times. So 24. How many times? 6 times 0. So the number of pants are 960. Now we can calculate. Dresses. We can calculate dresses. How can we calculate here dress? So here skirts and dresses are divided 1/4 part. So already we know pants 1/4 part how much? Pants. If you subtract pants minus skirts, we will get the number of dresses. So the number of dresses. Equal to 960 minus. So number of skirts how much? 768. So 960 minus 768. 0 minus will be 8, 5 will be 15, 15 minus 6 is 9, 8 minus 1 is 7 is 1. So 192. Got it? Next one. So dresses we count it. Skirts already we know, pants we know, t-shirts we know, shirts we have to find. How to find the shirts? So the number of shirts are number of shirts equal to, already we know the pants. Number of pants how much, children? 900. Pants how much, children? 960. So means 1/4 part is 960 and this part also 960. Means we have to calculate number of pants plus skirts plus dresses minus t-shirts, we get the shirt. We get the shirts. Okay. So that is just you can count 960. Okay. If you take the directly 960 or if you add 768 plus 192 minus what we have to subtract t-shirts. How many number of t-shirts are there? 1440. So 960 plus 960 how much, children? 960 plus 960. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 6 is 12. 2. 1 here. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. From 1920 minus we have to subtract number of t-shirts. How much? 1440. Subtract 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 4 we cannot. We have to regroup it. 2 will become 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. So this will become 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. So the number of shirts are how much, children? 480. Just now I calculate given data, just total number of clothes. All from total number of clothes I find the number of dresses, t-shirts, shirts, pants, skirts and dresses. So from this I complete the questions given. How many shirts does the clothing merchant have? Just how many shirts? Just now I calculate, no? So number of shirts are. How did you get number of shirts? The number of shirts. Once again I am explaining here. Number of shirts. Number of shirts equal to number of pants plus skirts and dresses minus t-shirts. We get the number of shirts. So here 960 plus 768 plus 192, that is nothing but 960 plus 960 minus 1440. How much you got it, children? 480. How much? 480. Okay, got it? This person how to find? Next one. How many dresses are there? Just now we calculate, no? Number of dresses. So the number of dresses are, okay, so that is 960 minus 900 means number of dresses equal to number of dresses equal to number of pants minus, from which one we have to find? Skirts. number of skirts. So number of cars, how much you got it, children? 960. Number of skirts, how did you get? See, 768. 1/5 of 3840. 768. 768. So you will get 192. See, already we calculate here 192. Okay. So next, are there more dresses or skirts? How many are more? So dresses, how many you got it? 192. And okay, skirts, how many are there? Skirts are 768. So skirts are more. Skirts are more. That is 768 minus 192. So 768 minus 192. 8 minus 2 is how much, children? 6. 6 minus 9 can be? No. So 6 will become 16 by regrouping. Okay. So this will be 6. 16 minus 9 is 7. 6 minus 1 is 5. 576. So how many are more skirts? 576. Next one. The following is a map of hill station. So hill station means mountain is given, here field is given. So farmhouse, school, house, okay, bridge is given, river is given. Here 3 types of bridges are there. 1, 2, 3. Lake, banyan tree. Okay, so already map is given for directions with it. Directions. Now we have to read it, we have to find that. The lake is dash of the mountain. So the lake is dash of the mountain. Where is the lake, children? Here. Dash of the mountain. So where is the mountain? Here. So like. So lake is this side. So from east side. From east side. East of the mountain. The field is dash of the school. The field is dash of the school. Where is the field? Here. Where is the school? Here. So the given direction, school here, and it will be north side. It will be north of the school. North of the school. Next question. The house is dash of the banyan tree. Okay. The house is dash of the banyan tree. So where is the banyan tree? Here. Okay. House. Where is the house? Here. So the given directions are here. So already is given like, so house is here. So south to west, or here north east. So where is that one? Southwest. Okay. South west. So the house is dash of the banyan tree. Dash of the banyan tree. Where is the banyan tree? Here. House where it is? Here. Means northeast. Banyan tree. Northeast. And here banyan tree is the southwest of the house. Like the house is the northeast of the east of the banyan tree. Northeast. We have to write the northeast. Next, the house is northeast. Banyan tree where? Here. So house is here. The house is northeast of banyan tree. Next, mountain is dash of the farmhouse. Where is the mountain? Here. Where is the farmhouse? Here. So exactly west side. Exactly west side. Mountain is here and farmhouse is here. So here farmhouse is here. It will be each side is mountain and it will be the west side. So what we have to find here? Mountain is. So mountain where? Here. And farmhouse is here. So mountain is dash of the farmhouse. So farmhouse is here and east of the mountain. East of the mountain. Next one. The graph below shows the number of fish caught in a day. 25%. So here the time is also given. So line graph is there. Fishing trip reset. Fish caught on y-axis. Time is given on x-axis. So here how many fishes, number of fishes are given on the y-axis. Time is given on the x-axis. So here 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. At what time were the most fish caught? At what time they are caught, most fish they caught? So here, see here, it is 7, 5, 8, 6, 9, 7, 8 fish caught. 10, 4, at 11, 9 fishes. So at what time, children? 11 a.m. At what time were the least fish caught? At what time they caught least? 10 a.m. Next one. How many fish were caught at 10 a.m.? See, how many fish they caught at 10 a.m.? 4. How many children? 4 fish. Were more fish caught at 10 a.m. or 11 a.m.? So, maximum fish they caught at 11. So, minimum they caught 10 a.m. So, how many? At what time they caught more? 11 a.m. Okay children? Got it? Once again practice. Thank you.